Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Zone. Today in this video I share with you some beautiful crochet sofa blanket designs model. A crochet sofa blanket is a type of blanket that is hand crocheted, typically using yarn, and is designed to be used as a covering or decorative throw on a sofa. These blankets add warmth and texture to a living space, and they can be made in various colors, size, and patterns to match home decor. Crocheting a sofa blanket can be a creative and relaxing project, often featuring stitches that add intricate details or simple, comforting designs. If you are interested in making a crochet sofa blanket or simply want to choose a good one for your home, here are some tips to consider. First, yarn type. Select a yarn that fits the purpose of your blanket. For a cozy, warm blanket, wool or acrylic yarns are great choices. If you prefer something lighter, cotton might be a better option. For luxury, consider a blend that includes applique or cashmere. Number 2. Color scheme. Pick colors that complement the interior decor of your room. Neutral colors like beige, grey, and white are versatile and blend well with any decor. Alternatively, choose a vibrant color or a combination of colors to make the blanket a focal point. Number 3. Pattern complexity. Depending on your crochet skills, you can choose from simple patterns like single or double crochet for beginners, or more intricate patterns like chevron, cable, or ripple for those with more experience. Number 4. Size. Consider the size of your sofa and how much of it you want to cover. A typical throw size is about 50 by 60 inches, but you might want a larger or a smaller one, depending on your needs. Number 5. Edge finishing. A well-finished edge can significantly enhance the look of your blanket. Consider adding a scalloped, ribbed, or fringed border for extra style. Number 6. Washability. Since the blanket will be used on a sofa, it is likely to get a fair amount of oil and occasional spills. Choose a yarn that is durable and easy to wash. Crochet tips for beginners. Start simple. Begin with a basic stitch like single crochet or granny squares to get comfortable with the technique. Keep even tension. Try to maintain a consistent tension on your yarn as you work. Uneven tension can lead to irregularities in the size and shape of your stitches. Use stitch markers. This can help you keep track of where you were in the pattern, especially if you are working on a large project or using intricate stitch patterns. take breaks. Crocheting for long periods can strain your hands and eyes. So make sure to take breaks and stretch your hands occasionally. Join online communities. There are many online forums and social media groups where crocheters share tips, patterns, and inspiration. These can be great resources for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Creating or choosing a crochet sofa blanket can be a fulfilling project that adds a personal touch to your home decor while offering warmth and comfort. Enjoy the process and the product of your creativity. A crochet sofa blanket is a type of blanket that is hand crocheted, typically using yarn, and is designed to be used as a covering or decorative throw on a sofa. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!